How to delete all messages on Discord channel. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now go to your server. Select the channel you want to delete your message. Now scroll down a bit and select duplicate channel. Now tap on create. Now keep holding your previous channel. Scroll down a bit. Now tap on edit channel. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on delete channel. Now tap on yes. So that's it. You have deleted all messages on Discord channel. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.